Good morning, students. Today I will teach you the next part of the vowels. So let's start with the vowel song.
I can say E, E, E. I, pig, pig, wig and pig.
Come on, everyone! Let's give the vowel family a big hand! I can say I, hop, hop, bop and stop.
I'm you, I can say I'm you, fun, run, sun and bun. We are vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Yeah! We are vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Yeah!
Children, now we will learn the pronunciation of IOU. The next vowel is I. The sound of I is E. A few more words with the sound ER: sit, bin, lit, pig, nib, six, lip. It has also got combination sounds. A few of them are it, it. A few words with the sound it are sit, kit. Another combination sound with E is in. A few more words with the sound in are bin, pin, id, id. A few more words with the sound id are kid, lid, ig, ig. A few words with the sound ig are wig, pig, if. A few words with the sound ip are lip, sip, ib, ib. Two more words with the sound ib are bib, nib, x, ix. A few words with the sound x are are makes, six. Now we will learn the vowel O. The sound of O is O. Some words with the sound O are pot, dog, top, fox, boy. Let us learn a few combination sounds with the vowels O. Ot, ot, ot. A few words with the sound ot are ot, pot, cot. Odd, odd is another combination sound words with odd are. A few words with the sound odd are rod, pod, og, og is the another combination words with og are. A few words with the sound og are ogar, dog, log, op. When we combine op, we get op, op. A few words with sound op are top, mop, ox, ox. When we combine ox, we get ox. A few words with the sound ox are fox, box, oy, oy. When we combine oi, we get oi. Oi. A few words with the sound oi are boy, toy. A last vowel is u and sounds a. Words with a are hut, gun, rug, cup. Some combination sounds with a are ut, ut. A few words with the sound ut are nut, hut, un, un. A few words with the sound un are are gun, bun, ugh, ugh. When we combine ugh, we get ugh. A few words with the sound ugh are jug, bug, up, up. When we combine up, we get up. A few words with the sound up are cup, pup.
This is your homework. Write in English copy. Question 1. Cross out the odd word in each set of words. For example, get, map, rat, wet, 10. Map is odd word. Question 2. Look at the pictures. Write their names in the given column. For example, bat. B-A-T, bat. Question 3. Form words from the jumble letters. These are jumble letters. For example, U, G, J. What is correct word? J, U, G, jug. J, U, G, jug. Question 4. Write and learn English dictation words. These are dictation words. English dictation words. Okay? Write and learn by heart. Okay, children?